So in this video, we'll be discussing how to become rich. Yes, we all want to become rich and live a luxurious life, right? So in this video, I'll be talking about the three simple steps which can change your life and which will help you to achieve your dream and which will help you to become rich. Okay, these three steps you want to follow in your life. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end and pay full attention and you will understand how to become rich in your life. Okay, so your rich means financial freedom. Okay, for example, you can go outside and go to a mall and buy whatever you like without seeing a price tag. Okay, and you go to a hotel and eat whatever you want without seeing the price of it. Okay, that means enjoying your life. Okay, that is a luxury. Okay, and in this video, I'll be talking about that. And rich doesn't mean you're only having the money. Okay, money is not everything, but money is an instrument to get whatever you like. So I'll be talking about that in this video. So to become rich, money is not only the thing which is important. Okay, you need to have health, wealth, and happiness. Okay, these three things combining will make you rich and make you happier. Okay, so these are the three things which you actually need always to be rich. Not only the money, guys. So keep in your mind, money is not important at every single time. So you need to have all these three things. That is health, wealth, and happiness. Okay. So by being said that, I'll be telling you the three steps what are important to be rich. Okay. So in these three steps, the first one is have a goal. Okay, so to become rich, you want to have a goal in your life. So you have to find your destiny and you should know what you have to become and what is the purpose of your life. Okay, so many of the people are thinking like you study, you go to work, and that's the life. No, that's not it. So if you're going to a job and if you're earning like 50,000 per month maximally or 35 to 20,000 per month, you can't fulfill your luxurious dream. You can't be in a financial freedom what I said. Okay, so first thing you should make up your mind and you should have a goal like what you should own, like how much money you should earn. Okay, and what are the things you need to fulfill. Okay, so you should set up a goal in your head like what is the life you have to lead, how you want to be. Okay, so that's the first step. So you should have a goal and your destiny. Okay, so the second thing is doing what you like. So doing what you like is the most important thing. Okay, so it's proven that 85% of the people are leaving the career which they don't like. They're doing the things what they don't like. For example, if you are a student who is watching this video, you may be an artist, you may be a singer, dancer, or a musician or anything, but parents will force you to do the engineering that days and get a job, and this is a thing you're doing what you don't like. Okay, so doing what you like is a thing to become a rich because that is giving you the exact happiness what you need. Maybe you will do a doctorate or do engineering or everything, but at the end of the day you won't be happy in your mind. Okay, so you will be thinking that you should have achieved your dream what you like and that would have made you more happier. So doing what you like is most important. Okay, so if you are spending a daily 9 to 5, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. with a job or something, maybe a lot of people are not happy with that or not happy with the income what you're getting. So you should be ready to get that income. Okay, so this is the second step. Doing what you like is very more important in your life. And the now third step is the very most important step, that is source of income. So to become rich, everyone needs a source of income. As I said to you, the money is an instrument which is used to get your things done and to get your things. So source of income. So as I said you guys, if you are a musician, if you're an artist, or if you're doing what you like, so how will you get the income? So this is the main part. Okay, so getting the source of income is very important. For me, I think stock market is a good source of income. Okay, so many people think the stock market is a dangerous thing or you can't make money in the stock market, but yes, stock market is a beautiful way and it's a beautiful way to invest and get your source of income, and this is a way to get rich. Okay, so if you're doing in a stock market and if you're doing trading, and yes, it is possible. Okay, so learn stock market. Okay, so have a knowledge of stock market and you can really become successful. For example, I'll be showing you some of my clients ledger proof who they have joined and who is earning a big money. Okay, so 20, as you can see here are the ledger proof. Also you can watch them in my blogspot. I'll be giving the description below of this video. You can watch these things. Okay, so 10,000 rupees profit in 4 days of intraday trading from 20,000 rupees capital. So within a 4 days a client is able to make 10,000 rupees. Okay, within a 4 days, just by spending 10 to 15 minutes per day in the mobile or the laptop. Okay, and 25,000 rupees profit in 5 days of intraday trading from 70,000 rupees capital. So as I said to you, many of the people who are watching this video, they may get like 20 to 30,000 per month salary. Not everybody, I'm just telling you an example. Only a few people will be getting this salary per month by working from morning to evening in a day. Okay, so here as you can see, just by spending 10 to 15 minutes per day wherever you are and whatever you're doing, whatever the thing you're doing, what you like, by doing that you're earning the money in the stock market. That's the beauty about stock market. Okay, so as you can see here, you can see 25,000 rupees in just 5 days. Okay, some of the people will get this at a month, but this client is making in just 5 days by just spending 10 to 15 minutes per day. Okay, so 35,000 rupees in 5 days of internet trading from 65,000 rupees capital. Yes, you need investment to start up this. So once you have an investment, you can rule it. Okay, you can be successful in the stock market. 5 to 10,000 rupees a minimum investment is enough to start the stock market trading, guys. Okay, so there are a lot of earning proof here. You can go inside it and watch all of these things. Okay, and if you are interested, you can start the stock market trading. Okay, and if you are interested, you can take my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. Okay, I all the details have been mentioned in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. This link will be given in the description below of this video, so you can go inside this video in this blogspot link and watch all these things. Okay, NSE trading course, MCX trading course, how would I provide, and here you can see feedback from my client after taking the course, and also the earning proof by my client of my client after taking my course. So these are the earning proof. So these are the profits what my clients are making every single day, as I said, as I showed you now. Okay, 25,000 rupees profit, 35,000 rupees profit in 5 days. So these are all the things, and one of my client has bought a car. Okay, so I'll be showing you. That's really motivational and inspiring. Okay, so just in a 5 months he has bought a car after joining my course. So he joined my course and made a 5 months consistent profit and bought his car. So this is a message what you have given me. Okay, so you can watch this all of these things, and if you're interested, you can definitely join us and earn consistently like as we are seeing, and you can fulfill your dreams. And also here you can see feedback from my clients after taking the course. So these are the feedback from my clients what I have got after they took my course. Okay, these are the feedbacks, and so many of the clients who are having the loss, they are recovering the loss. Okay, so you can watch all of these messages and all of this earning proof. If you're interested to earn like this consistently, you can definitely join us and earn like this as we are seeing. Okay, so if you are a new to a market, or if you're unable to make money profit constantly in the market of, or if you're a beginner to the market, don't worry, you can definitely join us and I'll guide you to earn like this consistently as you're seeing, and also this will help you to become rich. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day. We'll see you in the next one, and also go inside my channel and subscribe to my channel. Also in my channel I update daily how much profit we are making and how we are making consistently in the market. Okay, even that has been showed here with the proof. Every day profit proof has been posted every day in every single day. You can go inside my channel and watch all of this video and see how consistently and how accurately we are earning. Even if you are interested to earn like this, you can definitely join us and earn like this consistently. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. We'll see you in the next one.